Yep, that just happened.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking.
What's up everybody? What's up everybody, my name is Sean, welcome to my tech channel. Today we are checking out a cool LED light by Mirfak called Moin L1. This is an action LED light. It's shockproof, waterproof, and it is absolutely fantastic. Let's get started with the unboxing, and then I'm gonna show you how you use it, how to set it up, the uses for it, and who should consider buying one. Let's check it out. All right guys, so here's the box. It's a glass top with the unit on display at the top and some of the cables and accessories at the bottom. 3200 to 5600 temperature, 2 hours battery life at 100%, and it's 1.5 by 1.5 inch, and it's shockproof and waterproof up to about 10 meter. Take this out. And the unit looks like it's screwed in, so we can open it at the bottom. Owner's manual. We have the magnetic charging cable. I have a few accessories. I'm not sure if they actually come with the unit or you have to buy them separately. Unscrew the bottom, and there's a unit. So we have the LED unit. We have some color gels. We have a diffuser, adapter, and owner's manual, as well as a USB charging cable. This has 6 LED chips, 3 warm and 3 cool light. They claim this has over 1000 lumens. I have a light meter here that I'm gonna go ahead, use, test, and get you my measurement of how many lumens this light can produce. It's a USB cable, and it is magnetic. To turn on the light, you push the button once. Once you wake the light, you can just push and hold for 3 seconds, and you have light. You're able to do a single push on the light to get to different brightness. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not sure if the camera can do this light justice. It is super bright. The adapter, we're able to just slide it on, and it has a nice tight fit. And then you can do a couple things. You can use this diffuser, you put it on and just twist on, you're able to have a softer light. You can use this if you're outdoor camping. You can use it as a light if you just want to set it on a surface, or if you're using it for any kind of backlight, or using it for your videography or photography, you can have a little bit of a softer light using this dome. Now there is a small slot at the side of this adapter, and you're able to slide in these color gels to be able to produce these really cool color lights. So you can get really creative using these color gels. I think this is probably my favorite color. The light meter I have, it measures lux, not lumens. In order to convert lux to lumens, if you set this precisely 11.1 inches from your light source, and the amount of lux it measures equals its lumens. All right, it is on and ready to go. One last light to turn off. I'm going to set this at 11.1 inches to 1350 lux. Look, while this may not be a precise scientific measurement, but I'm definitely getting over 1000 lumens out of this little tiny box. So I have the app fired up. I'm going to connect to my light. As you can see, I have separate controls for cool light and warm light. The cool light basically controls the 3 cool LED chips, and the warm light control the 3 warm LED chips. You have the basic functions of the light temperature that you have, but if you go at the bottom left, tap on flashing, and I can go ahead start. This is what I get. or I can change this to be off only 1/10 of a second. And this is your basic strobe light. You also have an option for Morse code, and once you have that activated, you can type whatever you like. I wish it would actually display the color temperature, so instead of guessing what temperature you're at, combining the cold light and warm light, if it will show you whatever temperature you're on, 4000K, 5000K, whatever. I believe you can control up to 6 individual Moin L1 lights, but I only have one to test it, so I'm not sure how they work together collectively. There's a large magnet at the back of the light, and this would help you to be very creative and make this very versatile for you to be able to attach it to any surface. Also, using the 1/4 inch hole you have at the bottom, you can attach it to your tripod, monopod, for any other creative lighting. This was the unboxing and a few cool features about this light. Now I want to show you how strong this tiny little light is. Let's check it out, see what happens. So now I'm lighting myself. I did not change any settings in my camera, and I'm only using that tiny cube. I'm gonna show you the picture of the lights that I'm using, which has, I believe, over 140 or 60 LEDs, and these 6 tiny LEDs are keeping up with those 100, 140, 160 LEDs at full power. Absolutely amazing. So there are so many ways you can use this light. Because it is so tiny, you can just use your imagination how you want to use this. For example, in my studio, probably what I will do, I may slide a green gel like this and put it right behind this lens right there. So it's a very subtle move to trying to give my background some depth and make it meaningful. Now, you may say there's too much going on here. Obviously, this is just my personal preference, but my point is, because the light is so tiny, you can use it when you're shooting an object to try to light their hair, or maybe use it as a fill light, a key light, or just simply trying to give your background some depth. And that is absolutely amazing for that use. And the fact that it's magnetic and waterproof, it makes it so much better. This light sells for $59. I will put the link in the description below. I also have a 5% coupon. The code is EnforcerMan. I will put it in the description. Definitely check it out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If this is the first time you're watching my channel, please consider subscribing if you enjoy any kind of tech content, unboxing, reviews, and tutorials. And comment down below, let me know if you are gonna use this light, how will you use it, or do you currently own one? I would love to hear from you. If you're a return subscriber, thanks so much for coming back for another video. I will see you in the next one.